Wells Fargo Reflect Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you are carrying high-interest credit card debt, this card could be your escape plan. The Wells Fargo Reflect Card is built around an extremely long 0% introductory APR period on balance transfers and new purchases. This gives you time to pay down debt without interest. There is no rewards program, but the interest savings can be massive. If you are serious about getting out of debt, this card is one of the best tools available. Verdict: worth it for debt payoff strategies.